Today I'm going to Blea Tarn in the Lake District to do a couple of time lapses, walk around the lake and try and take some photographs. So I hope you enjoy this video. Just arrived at Blea Tarn, down some narrow roads to get here. Very windy. I'll set up my camera for a time lapse. Some good clouds up there. Just started my time lapse of the lake and the mountains. At least it's not raining. It's supposed to be raining today. Just finished doing my time lapse. Now I'm going to have a little walk around the lake. I want to take the drone up. It's a bit windy. I'll see you when I get to my destination. Nice views anyway. Just going to go to where that fence is, what goes into the lake, take a picture of that. Let's go down here. Just taking a picture of the fence going into the lake. I'll shut up on the video at the end of the video to see if you like it, and I'm going to move on to the next bit. Lovely views up here as I'm climbing up. There's a mountain I've done a time lapse on. Spin you around. There's the lake, and right over there is where you park, the National Trust car park. Right, I'm going to end my video here at Blea Tarn. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If not, don't worry about it, as I normally say. But had a lovely day here today.